Unlock the power of direct, impactful communication by mastering MessageBird's dedicated SMS numbers. This tutorial will guide you through harnessing your MessageBird phone number for sending and receiving SMS messages, ensuring your audience gets your message precisely when they need it. First, let's focus on configuring your MessageBird number. Log in to your MessageBird dashboard and navigate to the phone numbers section here. You'll find your dedicated MessageBird SMS number. Click on your number to access its details. This is where you'll set up how your number handles incoming messages and where outgoing messages will originate from. It's crucial to ensure your settings are aligned with your communication strategy. For receiving SMS messages, pay close attention to the webhook configuration. This tells MessageBird where to send incoming messages €. Whether it's to your application, a specific email address, or another service, properly setting this up ensures you never miss a response. Now, let's dive into sending messages when crafting your SMS. Always select your dedicated MessageBird number. As the originator, this brand recognition reinforces trust and ensures recipients know exactly who the message is from. Message formatting is key for engagement. Keep your messages concise, clear, and impactful. For marketing messages, include a strong call to action and consider using short links for tracking. For transactional alerts, be precise and provide all necessary information. Optimization for delivery is paramount. Ensure your message content adheres to SMS character limits and avoids spam trigger words that can lead to messages being blocked. By following these guidelines, you dramatically increase the likelihood of your messages reaching their intended recipients. By carefully configuring your number, crafting your messages thoughtfully, and optimizing for delivery, you can effectively communicate with your audience using dedicated MessageBird numbers, making every text message count.